us local musicians feel like we've only made music from a place of privilege. And what we're learning about Somali culture and tradition and music making and art making is that everything starts from a place of intention and from wanting to say something, from wanting to improve something, wanting to inform people. So first comes the idea, and then comes poetry, and then the music is sort of the afterthought. And that's just a phenomenal way to live and to create. Being a creative artist also means that occasionally you are privileged and lucky enough to get to travel the world and travel to share your art. And being away from home is never easy, but life doesn't stop, no matter where you are, what you're pursuing. And so tonight we come together to take pause and to have in our prayers Sheena and his family. That's enough. So thank you guys for being here with
شرب لي صوت تقول جورو شباب دقيا شكدا دحيرو شكي قليا كشدايو كشدايا شكي شكي حما كشكي شربنا شكي شكي حما كشكي شربنا نفسي شكا اوزرا شدايكو زين شدايكو زين شدايكو زين زهرنا أو شربنا شفنا أرنا شرق عيونك لما شفت تشيلة شفت فلقة شفت اللفة شفت شفت صار بالجرية أمي قال شربة وش فيصل شفت